Hello, farmers. This is Success in Farming TV. I'm your host, Dr. Joseph Deji-Folutile. Quickly, I want to share with you how a poultry farmer, Mr. Mike, made a successful poultry farming business. Please subscribe to this channel for more quality posts and also like and share the content with other farmers. Once upon a time, there was a man named Mike who had always dreamt of running a successful poultry farming business. He had a deep passion for agriculture and a keen interest in raising chicken after years of saving and planning. Mike finally took the leap and started his own poultry farm. From the beginning, Mike knew that success would not come overnight. So, he diligently researched the best strategies for poultry farming by attending workshops, reading books, and seeking advice from experienced farmers. He understood that proper planning and implementation was crucial to achieving his goals. Mike focused on three key strategies that he believed would make his poultry farm a success. Number one, high quality breeding. Mike started by selecting the best breeds of chicken known for their high egg production and disease resistance. He ensured that the birds received proper nutrition and regular health checks. By maintaining a healthy and strong breeding stock, he set the foundation for a thriving flock. Number two, sustainable poultry farming practices. Recognizing the importance of sustainability, Mike implemented eco-friendly practices on his farm. He adopted organic feed, used renewable energy sources, and recycled waste products for compost. This effort not only reduced his environmental impact, but also appealed to customers who appreciated ethically produced products. Number three, customer-centric approach. Mike understood the significance of building strong relationship with his customers. He focused on delivering fresh and high-quality eggs, ensuring timely deliveries, and offering personalized customer service. He also engaged with the local community, participating in farmers' market and educational events to create awareness about his farm and his practices. Over time, Mike's hard work and dedication started to pay off. His poultry farm gained a reputation for producing top-notch eggs, and demand steadily increased. Satisfied customers referred others, and his business began to flourish. As the years went by, Mike continued to innovate and adapt to changing market demands. He expanded his product range to include free-range chickens and organic meats, tapping into the growing interest in healthy and sustainable food choices. His commitment to staying informed and embracing modern farming technologies allowed him to stay ahead of the competition. Mike's success not only brought financial reward, but also contributed to the local community well-being. He provided employment opportunities for the locals and supported other small-scale farmers in the area. Through hard work, dedication, and a passion for excellence, Mike transformed his dream into a thriving and successful poultry farming business. His story served as an inspiration to others, demonstrating that with the correct strategies, determination, and a love for what you do, you can turn your dreams into reality. And so, Mike's poultry farming business became a shining example of what is possible when you embrace the right practices and never lose sight of your vision. Once again, this is Success in Poultry Farming. Your host, Dr. Joseph Deji-Folutile. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share this video to other farmers. Till I come again with other educative posts, that could be success in farming, success in health, success in your life, whatever. I want to make this channel a mix of whatever catches my fancy to enrich the life of people. Thank you.